a lot of engineers, friend engineers I know, have far less patience for those people than I do. But I usually try to accommodate, or at least trick them into thinking that I'm accommodating. A lot of times they don't know whether you're really accommodating them or not. And but I'm usually nice to them and treat them like they are intelligent and know something about music. Which, I mean, that's just my personality, though. I try to make everybody happy. I mean, I don't know if that's best in those cases, though, because sometimes those people
push.
Yeah, and are crazy. I mean, and don't necessarily know anything. And a lot of times they're fighting against what the band's fighting for, you know?
Or what they said 2 emails ago.
Yeah. But, I mean, I don't know. I mean, it's case-by-case thing. I mean, I'm not going to let them screw up the record. But we'll try to accommodate them to the point of not screwing it up. And then if I have to undo something later, then I would.